Hi, beautiful ladies. How are you all? Very warm welcome to all of you on my channel. So I hope so you all are fine, good, and you are enjoying the very good conditions of your health and doing very well. So, dear ladies and girls, in my today's video, you are going to exploring more than 100 plus design ideas of different types and different styles of skirt dresses for ladies and girls. So in this video, you are going to exploring A-line style skirts, maxi skirts, mini skirts, freestyle skirts, lace fabric skirts, floral printed styles, plain fabric, ballet style skirts. So a lot of new ideas and new designs of skirts today we have collected for you in this video. You will be find out different colors, different styles, different designs, different fabric, different prints, amazing colors combinations, and amazing stitching techniques of skirts ideas. So those girls, those women who love to wear skirts, who love to carry skirts for daily wears, for different clients. So a lot of new ideas and new designs you are going to exploring in this video of skirts. So must watch video till the end for getting new ideas and new designs of 2025 skirt styles. I hope so you are going to love these designs. You are going to love these styles of skirt dresses. I love all these designs. So must watch video till the end. Very beautiful designs and very beautiful collection of skirts coming up next in this video. So you will carry these styles of skirts for your daily wear wears, for casual wears. Even if you are college going or university going girls, you will carry these styles of skirts for your daily wears. Different and amazing ideas and amazing styles. Midi skirts, maxi skirts, A-line skirts, style skirts, belted skirts, hem style skirts. So this video is really going to be helpful for those women, for those girls who love to style skirts, who love to wear skirt dresses. So let's evaluate your 2025 wardrobe with these amazing and unique styles of skirts. So if you are exploring the new ideas and new designs of skirts in 2025, so must watch video till the end. In my today's video, you will be find out most demanding and trending ideas of skirts in 2025. So for more amazing ideas, for more collections, for more designs, for exploring new designs and new fashions, please do visit on my channel and check the other collection of dresses. I have already uploaded a huge collection of dresses on my channel. So on my channel, you will be find out skirt dresses, midi dresses, floral dresses, summer style dresses, maxi dresses, mother of the bride dresses, casual wear, formal wear dresses for ladies and girls, plus size women's dresses, college going, university going girls also get the ideas for their daily wears, shoes collections, bag collections, crochet made dresses. So a lot new ideas and new designs you will be find out on my channel on daily basis. So must visit on my channel, dear ladies and girls, and must watch other videos. I hope so those videos will also be useful for you and very helpful for you, and you will get to new ideas and new designs, and you will find all those videos very helpful and very useful for you. I'm very thankful to you for your kind appreciation on my previous videos. Thank you so much for your kind support, and thank you so much for your positive feedback on my channel. I always try to make videos on different and unique styles. Don't forget to tell me in the comment section, dear ladies and girls, our stage video, our stage designs of skirts, and which type of more collection you want to watch on my channel, or which type of more videos will be useful for you, helpful for you. Tell me in the comment section which type of more videos you want to watch on my channel, which type of more content you want to watch on my channel. Must tell me in the comment section. I really try my best to make my videos according to your opinions, and I will be very thankful to you if you are sharing your opinions in comment section. So please, dear ladies and girls, do like my video and do share my video with your friends, with your relatives, so that the new people get the new ideas and new designs of dresses. And if you are new on my channel, so please do visit on my channel and please do subscribe on my channel. Press the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. So after getting the notifications of my videos, you will never miss any idea, any collection, any design on my channel. I try my best to make videos on daily basis. So as you can see, different and unique styles of skirt dresses. I love all these designs and I hope so, dear ladies and girls, you will love these designs, you will love these styles. So must watch video till the end. And don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye, dear ladies and girls, till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and designs for you. So till then, take good care of yourselves and goodbye till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and design for you. So till then, take good care of yourselves. Goodbye. Enjoy the video till the end.